2013 Hot Pepper Awards, we have the Demented Canary, Feisty Parrot. Peppers, other ingredients, looks really good. I don't see a maker on it. I mean a distributor, thefeistyparrot.com. Alright, let's see some Demented Canary. Smells really good. See how this goes. Put a good big old blob on there. Sweet, fruity, chili pepper coming through. Oh, this is good. Made with ghost chilies and scorpion chilies. I see why it won an award. It's not that hot, but boy, the flavor's amazing. Yeah, 2013 Hot Pepper Award winner. I understand why. Feisty Parrot Demented Canary. I've been sampling these all day, and yeah, by far, that's the winner. That is some good stuff. I will buy this again.